In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate a car loan payment in Google Sheets. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to get your monthly payment using the built-in PMT function, and I'll explain what each part means so you feel confident using it with your own numbers. First, open your Google Sheets document on your desktop so you have a full keyboard and all the spreadsheet tools handy. Once the sheet is open, click the cell where you want the monthly car payment to appear. This will be the spot where Google Sheets returns the final dollar amount. Now we'll enter the formula. You'll type an equal sign to start a formula, then use the PMT function. It looks like this. PMT, interest rate, /12, loan term, loan amount. Don't worry if that seems intimidating at first. Let's break it down clearly. The first part, interest rate /12, tells Google Sheets to use a monthly interest rate. Most car loans quote an annual percentage rate, or APR. In spreadsheets, percentages must be written as decimals. So 5% becomes 0.05, 7.5% becomes 0.075, and so on. Dividing by 12 converts that annual rate into a monthly rate because you're making monthly payments. The second part, loan term, is the total number of monthly payments over the life of the loan. If your loan is 5 years, that's 5 times 12, which equals 60 months. A 6-year loan would be 72 months, and a 4-year loan would be 48 months. Enter the total number of months here, not years. The third part, loan amount, is the principal, or the total amount you plan to finance for the car. Notice the minus sign. In spreadsheets, cash outflows are treated as negative, so making the loan amount negative tells Google Sheets to return a positive payment amount. If you skip the minus sign, you'll likely see a negative payment, which is correct mathematically but less intuitive to read. After you've filled in your interest rate, term, and loan amount in the formula, press Enter. Google Sheets will instantly calculate the monthly car payment based on those inputs. A few quick tips to make this even smoother. If you've placed your interest rate, term, or loan amount in cells elsewhere on the sheet, you can reference those cells inside the PMT formula instead of typing the numbers. You can also format the result as currency for a clean dollar display. And remember, PMT calculates principal and interest. It doesn't include extras like taxes, fees, or insurance. That's it. Open your sheet, choose a cell, enter each's PMT interest rate, 12, loan term, loan amount, and press Enter for your monthly payment.